Whoa!
What?
Sue, take a look at that! This is amazing!
Oh, Sammy, you scared me. What is this?
It's an invitation from my friend from Tibidaba. He's turning 100 years old. And he is inviting me to the grand celebration. Oh, I'm so excited. My friend likes art, and I want to draw a picture for him. But all my stationery won't fit in here.
That doesn't sound like a problem at all. I think I know how to make a new organizer which you can take with you. So follow me.
Susan, you are my savior.
Hi, all! Today we'll help Sammy to pack all the stationery he might need while being on a trip.
Cardboard, Sue. Are we going to make another organizer?
We are, Sammy!
That's awesome!
This travel case for stationery will be as light as it could be. And it will look like a very cute animal.
By the way, we've made a lot of organizers. Just check out our channel.
Alrighty, we need to make our travel case neat and bright, right?
I've got the glue, Sue. Make way! Friends, you should always be very careful with the glue gun. It's usually hot.
I've got it from here. So, Sammy, do you have any ideas what animal this is gonna be?
Not yet. I'll go check the encyclopedia.
Actually, here's a little hint for you. This animal has horns and ears. Here comes one more piece of foam paper, but we are going to need a lot more of them. Ha-ha. That's more like it. Now, let's deal with the zipper. Since we're making a travel case, it should be able to close well.
Oh, Sue! I can't wait for my journey to begin. It's been a while since I went somewhere that far.
If I were you, Sammy, I'd start making the list of what I should take with me right away. I like being prepared. And this is what we've got. Looking good, huh?
Ooh, I've got to start packing. Where is my Nutella?
And while Sam is searching for his precious chocolate paste, I will continue putting our organizer together. And our next step is the back part. Here it goes.
Wow, Sue, my pencil case is turning out so cool! You know how much I like lots of compartments, right?
Hey, don't make the craft dirty. Of course I know everything about it, Sammy. That's why I have this little outside pocket. It's pretty much made the same way as the main case.
Look, this pocket is so happy to see me! I bet it's my fan!
Actually, it's not just a smiley face. Can you guess what animal is this?
Of course! It's a smiley giraffe! Give a thumbs up if you agree with me. You know, Sue, I like this backpack, but don't you think that it's kinda too big for my back?
You're still getting my idea a bit wrong, Sammy. Be patient.
What do you mean I'm getting something wrong? What's that? Let's see. Oh, I thought it was a cookie. I'm sad now.
I hope when you see the result, your mood will brighten up.
Ew, now they look like some weird colored clouds. Susie, tell me it's not a final result.
Ooh.
Ah! It was a cheap move, Susan.
Sorry, you're just so fun to tease.
Mr. Giraffe? Nice to meet you. Okay, I'd better go pack now. See you, Sue. This is ridiculous. My super strength doesn't work here.
Don't be upset, Sammy. You just need some hardboard wheels to move this cutie. See? That's what I'm talking about. Now let's deal with the rest.
I think you might need this.
Thank you, Sammy. It will become a perfect chassis. Let me just attach our wheels to it. That's pretty simple to do, so let me speed up a bit. And voila! Everything's ready. Let's only make the wheels look neat. And done! Sammy, how's it going?
Did I do everything right?
Wow, you are such a great helper. All that's left to do is put everything together. Here comes one more wheel. And the chassis is ready.
I feel guilty that I can't even take you with me as a +1.
Don't be, Sammy. You know that I'm always glad to get myself busy with another craft.
Well, of course, I know what I should do.
What? Sammy? Sam? I guess we'll be right back.
Whew, here you go, Sue.
There, take a breath. Oh, and thank you for these.
I thought our organizer could use a stand or two.
And you're right. All there's left to do is to make a handle.
I've got it covered. Please, welcome one perfect handle from foam paper. Whoa!
You did great, but I meant a different handle. Oh, it's too plain.
Allow me, Susan, checking in and checking out. Our craft's the best, no doubt.
Sammy, your magic is something. Am I right, dear viewers? Then give us a thumbs up and we'll continue. Sammy, how's your packing process going on, by the way? Are you planning to take a lot of stuff with you?
A hat and sunglasses are all I need there. And that pencil case, of course.
Wow, you are the readiest slime I know. By the way, I'm almost ready with our organizer too. This will be sort of a stopper. See? It all works. Terrific! Okay, let's see how this travel case looks from the inside.
Whoa! I like it, Sue! There's a lot of space in here. Everything should fit inside. I think it's time to bring my stationery. I have a long list of things.
Oh, really? How long is it? Well, then we better make a few adjustments right now. You know, to fit all that. We have 2 huge compartments here, see? But something's missing. This part needs a stopper too. Yeah, this is much better.
Here's everything that I plan to take, Susie. Please, don't tell me that I have to leave something behind.
I won't, Sammy.
Whoa, what will we place in between those little thingies?
Let's try this. Perfect. Now we'll glue a wide strip of foam paper on the top of these little dividing thingies. And make a few cuts. Be very careful with scissors. You should try to cut the foam paper right in the middle of each little space.
We like working with foam board while making different crafts. You can check out the videos about that on our channel.
Oh, that's right. And the final cut? Done. Just look how easy it is to put a pencil in its place and take it out when you need it.
Let me fill in this compartment. It took me a second.
Great job, Sammy. But let's take one more tiny step to decorate it. It's like tiny, stylish white stitches. There you go. I want to make it fast. Boom! Hey, where did everything go? Ah, now I see. Each marker's in its place now. Great! We've got a few crayons right here, too.
Wow, so awesome, Sue. And we actually even have some free space left.
Not for long. Some Post-its might come in handy. You never know when you'll need them.
They are so colorful and bright. And that's my favorite compartment of all.
We got a few more holders left, so I thought about a pencil sharpener and eraser. Watch me.
Whoosh!
And snap!
Friends, do you know what I like the most when we're making different organizers? Sue knows that.
That you have fewer chances to lose your stationery?
No, that you can get creative and decorate your organizer in any way possible.
Oh, you are totally right, Sammy. And check this out. It's how I got creative with this small compartment.
Amazing! You outdid yourself this time, Sue. Bravo!
Thanks! Let me just decorate it a bit. Now, let's check it out one more time. 'Cause it's ready. So, Sammy, will this case be enough for your trip?
Are you kidding, Sue? It turned out awesome. It's just a thing I always wanted to have.
By the way, I never asked when you're leaving.
And I need a calendar. So the Jubilee is in 3 days? I haven't even booked the tickets, Sue! What should I do?
Relax, Sammy. We'll do it right now. No worries. Friends, I hope you liked our video today. Join us on our channel. We got a lot of cool crafts there. Don't forget to give us your likes. Bye.
See you soon, everybody. We love you. All aboard.